So how do we set up a React Native project? First, go to the Getting Started guide and set up the development environment using the React Native CLI. Use the Typescript template to initialize a React Native project. Using Typescript would make your development far better and easier. So let's run that command in terminal and then open the project folder in VS Code. Next, we add a script in package.json file to type check our files. Type checking is important to eliminate TypeScript errors. Using Prettier will save you a lot of time and energy. So we install Prettier and add scripts to check and format the code. It is a good practice to keep the code formatted with standard conventions. ESLint is very important for static analysis of the code. So we install and configure ESLint. This is an essential step to eliminate redundant and illogical code in our files. Then we initialize Jet. Husky is a JIT-hooks library. We can configure it to run some scripts before committing the code. And lint-staged saves us a lot of time by running those scripts only on staged files. Let's install Husky and lint-staged with just one command which also configures it for us. These two tools, when combined, enforces every developer to remove all the error thrown by type checking, formatting, and linting, and thus making a way towards being one of the best software developers in the world. And finally, we commit the code and it runs all the scripts. And that's it. This is pretty much everything I do in my projects, and it's worth it because it keeps your code clean, error free, and ensures best practices in software development.